y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. As you can see from the description, today we are going to be unboxing one of the Target beauty boxes for January 2019. There were 2 of these available. For those of you that do not know, this is actually not a subscription. You actually go onto Target's website every month. It is usually the second Monday of the month. Sometimes they will surprise us and pop in early, or do like a Wednesday, so you got to keep an eye out for it. And they're $7, and there's always 1 and sometimes 2 boxes available. This month there were 2. What I do like about the Target beauty boxes is you do see what you are going to get, so you can decide if you would like to go ahead and purchase that month or both boxes for that month. Like I said, this month there were 2. I only went with 1 because the other box seemed to have a lot of items that I knew I probably would not use. So I just went with this box. So we're going to take a dive in here and see what this box is all about. So we open it and there is always a card, and it says, "Hello, Flawless Beauty Finds." And as always, there is a $3 coupon for a $3 off $15 or more beauty purchase. So cosmetic, skincare, and hair care. So that's always great. And then we peel back the tissue paper, and this is what we see in this month's box. So we have, this is 2 premium cotton rounds. So this is going to be, they're the Up and Up, so they are the Target brand. So those are always great to have on hand. And then here we have from Palmer's the Cocoa Butter Skin Therapy Oil. So this will help with scars, stretch marks, dry, damaged skin, uneven skin tone, and aging skin. So that is awesome. Gently massage onto affected areas 3 times daily or as often as desired. So that is great. Here we have from Schmidt's Wondermint with activated charcoal. This is a toothpaste. I love getting these little samples, and I love the activated charcoal toothpaste. I think it's great. It really helps with whitening, and just, it's really funny too when you're brushing your teeth and your mouth gets like black and you're just like, whoa. So, and then here we have, this looks like a full size, so this is pretty awesome. Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Relaxing Deodorant. 24-hour odor protection, no aluminum. So like I said, that's definitely full size. So we got a full size deodorant. Excuse me. And then here we have, I love that Target has started to do this, where they put the safety seal type tape on everything so nothing leaks in shipping. That is fantastic. And this is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. It's all in one. It does remove waterproof makeup, which is great. It cleanses and refreshes, no rinse, no harsh rubbing. It is for all skin types, even sensitive, and you can use it face, lips, and eyes. So I am excited about this. I like micellar waters. I just think they're great for cleansing, and I really like them. So. And then we have from Maybelline New York, Master Precise All Day Liquid Eyeliner in black. So here we have a small, it's going to be a felt tip eyeliner. I will put this to the side for a giveaway because I have like 25 or 32 of these, something like that. So, but it's always great to get, so. And then our final product is from Method. This is the Method Body. This is a body wash in Pure Peace. It says peony, rose water, and pink sea salt. Soothe your skin, or soothe your soul while leaving skin soft, smooth, and smelling like a no stress zone. So here is what it looks like. It's a good size. This is a great size for travel. It is 3.4 ounces. And what little bit I can smell, it actually does smell really good. So I'm excited for this. This will come in handy. This will be great for my trip to Las Vegas in about 3 weeks. So yeah. So that was one of the Target beauty boxes for January 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments down below if you got this box, if you got both boxes, what you think of this box. And again, I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you with the next video. Bye.